In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a project in Asana. Maybe you've wrapped up your work on a project, or you're just trying to clean up your workspace so you only see what's relevant to you. Leaving a project in Asana is a simple way to keep your dashboard focused and avoid extra notifications. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you know exactly what to click and what to expect. First, start by logging into your Asana account and opening your main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel. This is where Asana groups things like your home view, tasks, and importantly for this tutorial, your projects. Look for the section labeled Projects. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to scroll a little or expand a workspace or team area. Once you see the list of projects, find the specific project you want to leave. Click on that project name to open it. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place by checking the project title at the top of the screen and making sure the tasks and sections look familiar. Now that the project is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the project window. You should see a row of small circular icons representing the people who are members of this project. These are the profile icons for everyone with access. Click on that group of member icons. This will open a pop-up or panel that shows more details about who has access to the project. In this list, look for your own account. You'll typically see your name or profile listed alongside other team members. Next to your name, on the left side, there should be a small drop-down button or menu. Go ahead and click that drop-down. From the options that appear, select Leave Project. As soon as you do this, Asana will show you a confirmation pop-up explaining what will happen when you leave. Usually, it will clarify that you'll be removed as a member and will no longer receive notifications related to this project, but your past contributions and tasks will remain in the project for others to see. Review that message, and if you're sure you want to proceed, click the Remove Me button at the bottom right of the pop-up. After you confirm, you'll be removed from the project, and it will no longer appear in your project list or send you updates, and that's all there is to it.